2025 Nissan Kicks remote key fob. We're going to replace the battery in it. First thing you do is turn it over, press this button here, slide it to the right. You pull out the door key. Get yourself a small flathead screwdriver, and there's these little indentions right here and then right here you can use to crack these remote open. Okay, so we're going to put the screwdriver in right here like this. Give it a twist, that opens up the side. Same thing here. Just a little twist like that, and then we can pop it open. Just like that. Here's the battery right here. I'll just pry it right out. Battery size. It's going to be a CR 2032 battery. If you need one of these, there's going to be a link in the description box where you can pick one up. Positive sign facing down, like all the letters and things like that facing down. That's going to be positive like that, and you just get your new one and get the back cover and just snap it back together. This one's really easy to do. And door key goes back in, and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful and was. Appreciate it. Hit the like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, and hope to see you again in another Nissan video.